In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Design Space to clean up an image you converted with Adobe Capture and save as a cut file. I like to use Google Chrome, so I have that open. I'm going to go to Upload, and I'm going to browse for my file. I already downloaded it from my email, so I'm just going to go in here and open it up. I'm going to choose complex. I always like to do that. I feel it's going to make sure we get the best quality. So I'm going to go up here on the right and zoom way out. I'm going to make sure that my magic eraser tool is selected, and I'm going to deselect all the white space. I'm probably actually not going to do a lot of this because I don't want a lot of this anyway. So then I'm going to go back over here. Actually, I do notice I'm going to zoom in right under her eye, and I'm going to get that out of there. And then I'm going to zoom back out, and I'm going to come over here and grab my eraser tool, and I'm going to make it bigger. And I can see I have all of this residual little pieces over here. I'm going to make this really big. And I'm going to just click and erase as much as I can and go around here, and just, you have to really take your time and be careful with certain parts of this and go slow. And I can see a lot of tiny specks here, so we're going to go zoom in and just kind of click around, and you'll just keep doing this until you're happy with the result. And you can go to preview, and that's going to show you what it looks like. We'll zoom way out so you can see. And that will let you know if you've missed any areas or cut it up. You can also go to continue over here and see what your print image versus your cut image looks like. And you'll notice we still have a bunch of little dots here and there and over here. So we can go back and continue cleaning up. I'm not going to show you probably how I would do the whole image, just because that's going to take a while. So we're just going to kind of go in and do this here, and depending on how much of this image you want to keep and the definition of it, you can go in and around her eyes and stuff, and we can just click it all out. And you'll just do this for your whole image. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt to go back and forth with the preview and everything, but you really want to make sure you got rid of all of these little spots, because every single one of those little pieces is going to show up and cut, and you really don't want that for when you're weeding. So I'm going to get rid of all of that. And I noticed when I did the preview that I have quite a few little pieces over here, so we're going to get rid of that too. I don't want to cut and weed all of those tiny pieces. So now we'll go to our continue, and we'll get a better idea of how well we cleaned it up. And you can just keep going until you're happy with the results. And we can see down here there's still some pieces, and here and here, but we'll go back and around her eyes. So you can go back and forth until you're happy with the results, and then you'll click Save as a Cut Image, and then you'll name it and save it, and you're done.